Hi, Victor. So, sounds like you need a different language model. What existed prior to your work?
So there are certain language models that do exist, and with us happening to be in the Toronto area, we're quite close to the people who developed one of the better academic language models for this that's been used in industry. That was actually out of Brock University. Brock is, I'd say, 120, 140 kilometers away from the Toronto area. It's in a little suburb of Toronto, and it's got a nice university that does a bit of AI and NLP, and specifically from their legal or law department in conjunction with their computer science folks, they developed something called the PHYLAC model. This PHYLAC model has been useful, I guess, constrained to a specific domain of law. And that's where, it's good, but it's not the answer to everything, right? So PHYLAC, the letters FILAC, literally stand for facts. So those are, you might imagine, facts about the cases, like the sky was blue. So issues arose either with some kind of common law, where it is, some kind of legal issue arose. The L stands for the law itself. So, in a decision or in a case or in some kind of paperwork about the legal or judicial process, there will be an explanation of the law, or at least a dictation of the law. Somebody will say the law states, or section 43-B, whatever, subsection 2 states this kind of thing. So then you understand the law. Now you have the law, you have the facts and some issues about the entire case. That can then be reduced down to some analysis of the case. So whoever is possibly writing that decision analyzes the case and says, due to the fact that the sky was blue and the law states this about this specific type of issue that's going on, we can come to a conclusion. And that's the last part of this, is the C. So that gives you a very nice holistic language model that is really good for decision summaries. So they're sort of structured, they follow a similar observation pattern where they do adhere to this like PHYLAC model. So it's a case of the law or legal people or judicial people who are writing these decisions and the people who are doing the academic research kind of being on the same page, which is really nice. So that helps quite a bit when you're looking at decisions, which can help understand whether or not it's smart to proceed or not proceed with a case, kind of thing. But it doesn't help with anything else in law. Like, whether or not to proceed is great, but it doesn't help you craft an argument. It doesn't help you really understand more about the complaints, the complainants, the defendants, all of this stuff, right? For that, you actually need to do much more than just PHYLAC. And that's sort of where we kind of jumped in, is to do the more part.
Got it.